Hey guys, this is Jack from the engineering team at Weeldi, and today I'm excited to share with you guys how to check on and edit input values in the new Weeldi Studio. So once you're recording a new agent in the Weeldi Studio, you could come down to this bottom left panel labeled input values. This top part is going to have input values that are intended to be used for the actual agent instructions themselves, so this will be things like your username, your password, or an account number. You also have by default these collapsed input values or read-only input values, and these are going to be things that will not change once you start recording, like the data source, the data target, or the starting URL. So I'll go ahead and close this up. So in this top section, these are going to be input values that you could actually edit. So clicking on this blue edit icon will allow you to change either the name or the value of that input value. You could also add a new input value at any time. For example, I could add account number. And so at any time you could add in something new. You'll notice that username and password currently have a red asterisk on it, indicating that these are required input values. And the reason that these are showing as required is because they are actually being used in the event timeline in the instructions themselves. And so these are automatically going to be recognized as required input values since they are actively being used. However, account number, which I just added, is not being used yet, and so you could at any time delete these optional input values with the trash icon. A final thing to note here is that as you generate commands using our LLM workflow, it actually has the capability to automatically produce new input values if it deems them required for the low code that it's generating. And so you might at times, as you're generating commands, see input values automatically populate down here and be used in the event timeline. So make sure you keep an eye on that. That's all that I have for this video. Happy automating, guys.